In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line with an angle in AutoCAD. Let's get started by opening AutoCAD. Once the workspace is up, we'll create a precise line using the built-in line command. To begin, start the line command. You can do this by typing the letter L on your keyboard and pressing Enter, or by selecting the line tool from the ribbon. Either way, you'll see prompts near your cursor or in the command line guiding you through the process. Now, click once in the drawing area to specify the first point. This click sets the exact start of your line, so choose a spot that makes sense for your drawing. If you are working from a plan or a reference, think about where that line needs to begin so it aligns cleanly with the rest of your geometry. With the first point set, type the length of the line. For example, type 100 to make a line that's exactly 100 units long. The units here follow your drawing's current settings, so that number represents whatever unit system your file is using. You'll see the length field update as you type, confirming the value. Next, press the Tab key to switch to the angle field. This moves your input focus from length to angle, allowing you to lock in the direction precisely. AutoCAD measures angles by default from the positive x-axis, increasing counterclockwise, so an angle of 0 degrees points to the right, 90 degrees points straight up, and so on. That context can help you visualize the direction before you commit. Before you enter the angle, gently move your cursor in the general direction you want the line to go. This simple nudge tells AutoCAD which quadrant to use when applying your angle, making sure the line points the way you intend. Now, type the desired angle. For example, 45 degrees, and press Enter to confirm. AutoCAD will draw the line from the first point, at the exact length you specified and at the precise angle you provided, oriented by the direction you indicated with your cursor. That's it. Thanks for watching.